Hey everyone, I'm Ariel. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making an envelope pillowcase, a plush throw blanket and pillow. So get your materials ready for this super cute, easy DIY. Pillow inserts that are already filled with the polyfill can be found at any of your local department stores, but I didn't have one on hand, so I decided to make my own. It's super easy and you can make it with any leftover fabric you have at home. I trimmed all 4 corners of the fabric so that way when we turn it inside out, there's a nice sharp finish point. So now whatever material you have left, you're gonna make a throw blanket out of it. I purchased about 2.5 yards, so whatever I had left is what I created for a blanket. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful for you. Let me know what you created out of this, and until next time you guys, bye!